Let's learn how to follow someone on Pinterest. If you find yourself wanting to follow someone but don't know how to do it, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you will know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Pinterest app on your phone. Once Pinterest is open, you need to make sure you are logged into the correct account from which you want to follow someone. When Pinterest is open, you will be on the home page, but you need to go to the search page, which will open when you click on the search icon located at the bottom left, next to the home icon. When this page opens, click on the Search Pinterest option at the top of the page. Once you click on that, type in the name of the profile you want to follow. After typing it in, click on the search button at the bottom right corner of the keyboard. After you click that, a page with multiple options will open. On that page, you need to click on the filter icon located below the search bar. When you click on that, a menu with some options will open, and you need to click on the last option, which is Profiles. Once you click on that, the next thing you need to do is click on the red View Results button. When you click that button, a page with a list of profiles will open, including the profile of the person you want to follow. The next thing you need to do is go to that person's profile by clicking on their profile. Once you're on that person's profile, below the number of people they follow, you will see a red Follow button. Click on that button, and you have successfully followed the profile on Pinterest. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.